Net cleaning's pretty vital to the whole salmon farming and aquaculture industry. And fouling will block oxygen and water flow through the nets and leave the fish pretty unhappy. The Aqua Clean Tas products have been very innovative. To go away from having to rely on high pressure water systems and go to a hydraulic system with the propellers, that it just simplifies everything a lot. Tassie Devil machines, both of them have held up very well to anything we can throw at them.
Been involved in the fish farm industry for around about 20 years and got heavily involved in net cleaner maintenance. What we found in net cleaning is very, very high maintenance. We found that if we get away without using high pressure water, that it'd be a very high advantage. So we come up with the system of a propeller blade technology, which is hydraulically driven to clean a net.
I was actually a net cleaning operator, then moved on to give my brother a hand in net cleaning maintenance. We found it was a very high maintenance job, as in repairing the net cleaning machines, cabinets / even the net cleaning heads themselves. A lot of wearing parts. Tim and I, we sat down, we thought over it, things that we'd done, things that we hadn't, and we thought to ourselves, well, why couldn't we make a machine that's hydraulically driven and cleans with a cleaning propeller? We've got two products, the Tassie Devil 4000 and the Tassie Devil Tracker 4000. The Tassie Devil 4000 is operated off a surface vessel, operates outside the cage. The Tassie Devil Tracker 4000 is an ROV machine that operates inside the cages, both on predator nets and grow-out nets.
I started with human aquaculture over 5 years ago. The whole time I've been here, I've been on the net cleaning crew. About 2 years ago, I took over as a net cleaning manager. The happier the fish are, the less likely they are to get diseases. Biosecurity is a big one for us as well, is keeping nets clean in between year classes. All the other units we run at the moment, they have a high pressure water pump that's essential to the cleaning, which creates quite a large cabinet on your deck. For these guys to have such a small unit, it's only a small pump with hydraulics, it simplifies everything a lot. The ability to sort of dial them up and down is definitely an advantage to sort of get over and under things that, you need to, or if you need to come off the net a bit, you can. Well, the Tassie Devil Tracker 4000 is a very good unit in that it will get into all the parts of the net that the other net cleaners won't. With the cameras on it, you can get up and see exactly what you're doing. It is very manoeuvrable for its size. The motors on the tracks are pretty powerful. We've seen that they're a lot stronger than a lot of the other ones we've used. We've seen it drive over, yeah, like I said, a lot of fouling that other machines won't even go near, and it cleans back to a brand new net nearly every time.
It's got very high torque, low speed propeller action, which cleans very hard fouling nets which other machines struggle with.
The blades themselves running holding the machine on the net, as well as pulling the muscles and harder fouling through the blades and taking it off the net. We've had some concerns about it potentially damaging nets. It looks a bit abrasive, but we'll run it multiple times over nets and not see any effect of it on there, apart from bringing the net back perfectly clean. One of the big things with these machines is fuel efficiency compared to the other units. Like I said, it's only running a small engine. A lot of our other machines are running quite large engines using a lot more diesel than these. Maintenance-wise, we're very minimal on either of them, or either of the machines. The blades we have to change out every now and again. That just depends on, a lot of that depends on how hard they're working, on how hard of fouling they are, but we're sort of at the stage now where we're not cleaning a lot of super hard fouling.
Dries on tracks. You break one, you stop one track to turn the other, it just turns around like a tank, more or less. There's no water pressure, it's just fins that turn around and knock all the muscles off. You can adjust the suction down on there, so if you come to a bit of a problem where you think it might be stuck on a rope or something and endless, so you just back it off and it'll just lift off a bit and just drive back. When you're away from it, just turn around, suck the net again. You leave it sit there and it won't cut the net or damage the net, which is a good thing. I reckon this one's a lot easier to drive. For muscles, it gets them off, rips them off real good. The other machines, you're back and forward, back and forward. This machine's made for that, to get in there and do it.
Their actual cleaning ability is as good or better than any other net cleaner we've got.